Hi everyone, it's Phil from Budget Tech Life. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the new Google Home Hub. If you're enjoying the channel so far, please consider subscribing, liking and hitting the notification icon. So let's take a look around the box. On this side is information regarding what the Google Assistant is capable of. Google Calendar, Google Maps, Nest, YouTube, Spotify, etc. On the back is some examples of what the Google Home Hub is able to do with regards to voice controlling, being able to get information on weather, calendar, make audio calls, playing songs, showing Google Photos. Specifications of the Google Home Hub, such as 2 far-field microphones, a light sensor, 7-inch touchscreen, a full range speaker, and Bluetooth support and Wi-Fi support. So first of all, let's get this cellophane wrapping taken off so we can see what's inside. First impression is that it looks like a 7-inch Android tablet. Not necessarily a bad thing, but not quite what I was expecting. Let's take it out of the box. On the rear we have the power port, volume rocker, and a silent switch for turning the microphones off. Let's put it aside a sec while we have a look what else is in the box. Let's take this divider out. And looks like there's a couple of leaflets inside, a Let's Get Started guide, and a safety and warranty guide. Let's have a look. Nothing very interesting in there. The Let's Get Started guide basically advises you to plug it in, download the app, and connect to the Google Home Hub. Let's see if there's anything here. Nope. Right hand side looks like just the power cord. And straight away I can see that it's not the standard micro USB cord that's with the Google Home Mini. This uses an actual jack plug. I must say the feel of the Google Home Hub, it does have a really nice feel to it. Materials on the back seem of very good quality, and the quality of the screen and the plastics itself seem really good. On the bottom we have an orange rubber grip to stop the hub sliding around on a table. Let's take a look at it from some different angles. As I say, I will be planning to do a full review on this. This is just a quick unboxing today, just to show you the contents of the Google Home Hub box. So that's it for today. I will be doing a full review on this, but I wanted to test it for a few days and give you my findings when I return. But for now, again, if you enjoyed the channel, please consider subscribing, liking and hitting the notification icon to be informed of when I upload my next videos.